read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyidah Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, let's start. What are the learning outcomes of letter O? The student is expected to identify the lowercase letter O and learn words that start with the sound O, O, O. Here, first of all, let's start how to write it, how to pronounce it. After that, its vocabulary word. Start from second line, start from red dot. Make go round, round, round and stop. Go round, round, round and stop. It will make lowercase letter O. O says orange, O, orange. O says octopus, O, octopus. You have to make flashcards. Before many times I told you from O, onion, oven, ostrich, ox, owl. You could make flashcards and you could show and ask what is the difference between these animals and birds as well. Okay, after that, the octopus found an orange on the beach. The octopus found an orange on the beach. The next, how many O's are there in the above sentence? There are 5 O's. You will ask from the students and count with them. After that, ask the question, what did the octopus find? So, octopus found an orange. After that, you could mime. It's an activity. Call some students. They will pretend to walk like an octopus and they will speak out O, 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 O. I hope so. You understood it and you will teach well to the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.